Hey gang, there was a question about how do we swap out pictures if you're trying to get them compliant, Facebook compliant, so that so you might have pictures that are posted that had the old disclaimer on them. Okay, now there's two different situations here. You may have stories of other people that had the old disclaimer on. I don't think I would go to the trouble of trying to swap out the photo on that. I just went through and deleted everything that was dated from January 26th forward. July, June, one of those J months, from June 26th forward. I just deleted anything that was not compliant. But you might have it, like for instance, there was a photo, my before and after photo, that I would have posted recently because of the Women's World thing, and I wanted that to stay in there and stay current, and I wanted to replace that with one that was compliant. So this is how the process works. I'm going to show you, my photos are all now compliant, so I can't show you in that context, but I'll show you the process on if you're doing this on your computer. So if you are on your computer, this is how it works. So here is a sample post. Okay, this is my post today about Wonder Woman. Okay, now if I want to swap out that photo for something else, there's the three little dots here at the top. When you click on that, you click on Edit Post, and then click on, okay, then you see here you can add another photo. Okay, well, I decided instead of being Superwoman, I'm going to be Wonder Woman. Okay, so there's the Wonder Woman photo. I can delete this one. Okay, and if I save that, that will change the whole post. It will keep everything else the same. The original post is the same. The only thing that will change is the photo, and any comments that are underneath it will remain the same. Now, it's probably going to kick it back into your news feed. So if you have a bunch of these to do, you might not want to do them all at the same time. You might want to do one today and one tomorrow and one the next day, because otherwise you're updating all of these photos and they're all hitting the news feed at the same time, which could be a little annoying for your friends. Okay, but that's how you go through the process of changing the photo if you're doing it on your computer. I'm going to not save that because I really like Superwoman instead of Wonder Woman. Okay, but I'm going to talk you through the process of how you would do this on your phone. Okay, so if you're on your phone, same process. You pull up the post that you want to change, and at the top right corner of that post, there's those same three little dots on your phone. Okay, when you touch on that, you will have an option to edit the post. Okay, and at that point, if you scroll to the bottom of your screen, you have a place there that says add to the post. Okay, well, tap on the one. Can I show you? Yes. So tap on the one that has pictures on it. Okay, so tap on that one, add on the photo that you want, delete the photo you don't want, and save it. Does that help? All right. Hope that helps. Have fun. But again, like I said, they're really for the posts that are not your story. You know, if you were sharing somebody else's story, your simplest way to get compliant is to just go delete all of the ones from June 26th forward. That's what I did, and then I just started loading in ones that are compliant, so I'm posting one about every day so that I still have that archive of photos there if people's coming to scroll through my Facebook. That's the simplest way to get yourself compliant. And honestly, like what'll happen is there's going to be a period of time here when you don't have a lot of before and after pictures on your Facebook, but that's going to very quickly change because as you keep adding before and after photos every day or so or however often you're doing it, very soon your Facebook will go back to having that whole archive there that your friends can see when they go browse through your Facebook.